I will be doing a video, obviously. I will be testing out some new products that I picked up in the store. What I will be trying out is this Black Radiance True Complexion CC palette. This is for dark to medium to deep skin tones. And I picked this up in Walmart. I don't know how much I paid for it. I have to check the receipt. I didn't find the receipt for it, but on Black Radiance website, its cost is $9.99, which $10. So maybe that's what I paid. I'm going to test this out. This is not really a testing video. This is I've had this before and I really love it. So I finished it. Well, mostly the contour powder, so I needed a new one and I picked that up. So I'll be using this. And for my eyeshadow, I will be using the ColourPop Yes Please palette. I've used it before on this channel, so I will link the video that I used it, where I used it, if you want to check that out. But first, I'm going to do my eyebrows, but I'll do that off camera to save time. And I'm going to moisturize my face because I already put oil and everything, and I'm just gonna add some moisturizer, and I'll be using my favorite moisturizer, which is Pond's. So I'll be right back when my eyebrows are done. I went ahead and did this one eye off camera because I wasn't sure what kind of look I was gonna do. So I'm gonna show you how I came up with this look using the Yes Please palette. And I also primed my face using this Mario Badescu spray. I love this stuff. First thing I did was prime my lid using this NARS Smudge Proof Primer. My lid, and you can use whatever eyelid primer you have. You can also use concealer, but if you use concealer, I would suggest that you use a translucent powder, a white powder, to set the concealer. That will prevent your eyeshadow from creasing. I took this color right here. Yep, this color right here. This is called GNO, and I applied it onto my lid. And the brush that I use is the Bdellium Tools 777 eyeshadow brush. So and I stopped about here, because I'm gonna apply another color. I went into this color here. This one is called Butter Cake. I took this angle brush right here, and this is from Royal and Langnickel, and it's a shader brush. And I applied that to the outer, like where no shadow is. I applied it there, but I pressed it, and then I applied it to my crease. I blended it very lightly. Then I went into this light brown here. This is called Chiffon, and took a fluffy blending brush and I applied it to the top of my crease just to clean it up. I'm gonna draw a line using this NYX liquid liner.
Oh honey, though our friendship ceases from now on.
I'm going to take this color here and I'm going to apply that to the lower lash line. Then I'm going to do the same thing with the lid color. Before I apply a liner to my waterline, I'm going to put on my mascara and my foundation because my eyes run when I do that and I don't want that to happen. So I'm going to apply mascara, and the mascara I'm using is the Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. I'm going to try this Black Radiance contour, color correcting palette. I'm going to use the orange to color correct under my eyes. I'm going to use this concealer brush from e.l.f. Okay, I'm going to use this one.
Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh honey, though our friendship ceases from now on.
So now I'm going to use trying to figure out looks. I think I'm gonna use this color to conceal as well. Use my finger.
This cut is fresh.
Blend it out with my damp beauty blender from NYX.
Oh honey, though our friendship ceases from now on. If you can't say anything real nice, it's better.
Alright, now I'm gonna apply my foundation. I'm using the Ordinary foundation, and this is 3.2N Deep Neutral. Shake it up, and I'll do 2 pumps, and I'm using this dual fiber brush. I know it needs to be cleaned. I'm gonna take the bottom part of the beauty blender and just go over that. And this is going to help to make my foundation look a bit more natural and airbrushy.
About me when I'm gone. Oh honey, though our friendship ceases from now on.
I'm going to work, so I don't want too bright of a highlight, but I'm going to do an under eye highlight, and I'm going to use this color right here because this one will be too bright. So I'm going to use this one. I'm going to take the same blending concealer brush and blend this out. rose concealer, you want to blend it upward like this and in circular motions. Right? Always blend it upward.
Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh, honey.
Take the damn beauty blender and just go over that and just make sure everything is kind of blended properly. You don't want any lines of demarcation or anything like that. Alright, so to highlight under, well, I'm not going to highlight, I'm just going to use this translucent powder from Laura Mercier, and this is in medium deep. So it's just going to set my concealer. I'm gonna set my entire face with the Black Opal Deluxe Finishing Powder, and this is in 04 Dark.
I'm gonna use it in the cap and just set my face, just lightly dust the powder over my face, starting from my forehead and
Apply my contour, I'm going to spray my face, and then after I'm going to spray to set. Now I'm going to go into the Black Radiance contour palette, and I'm going to take the contour shade. Lightly sculpt my face, I'm gonna take the middle color, which is a sculptor color. My powder brush and blend everything out. And I'm gonna take the same brush, right? And I'm gonna take the highlight shade. And I'm going to highlight. I love this palette, guys. I love it so much. I think it is such a good goodbye. For lips, I'm not gonna do a color because I don't want to. But you can, if you do this look, you can do a color. I'm going to apply this Downtown Beauty by NYX as a lip liner. Apply this butter gloss also by NYX, and this is Praline. I'll put the name here, Praline. I'm gonna apply Madeline in the middle.
When I'm gone, oh honey, though our friendship ceases from now.
I'm gonna spray my face. And this brings me to the end of the look. So this is my eyes. You can apply false lashes if you want to, and don't forget to apply liner on your inner lash line, here. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you in another video. First impressions on this, it's okay. It's an okay product. I don't want to give like a full and detailed impression because I want to use it some more, and then I'll let you know for sure, like if I think it's worth the buy, if it's worth $10. But I like the fact that I have all these colors in here. It's a nice palette, great for makeup artists who are are freelancing and stuff like that. It has all these colors, good for highlighting, correcting, highlighting, and covering up imperfections. I'm going to use it some more, so I'll give you a full detailed review on the product once I use it up. I'm gonna go now and I'm going to insert pictures and all that stuff. God bless you. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't, and if you haven't given your life to Jesus, what you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Give your life to him and he will set you free and make you whole. Bye. Enjoy the remainder of your day and or evening, depending on when you're watching this. Bye guys.